it to me. You make me complete.
Yo, what up? So check this out, man. We're gonna place a couple trades today. This is looking good. So this is AUD CAD. So we see that the stochastic is heading down, right? We're heading down to this 15, meaning the market will go back up. The reason how I know it's gonna go back up here in just a second is because we're above this 200 moving average. All right, you see here, even on the Keltner, we usually come down below the middle a little bit, then turn around. So I'm gonna enter a 3-minute trade on the way up. All right, preferably right here. So I entered a really good one. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna double up again. I'm gonna double up. All right, now I'm believing that the market will come back this way in the next 3 minutes. All right, based off what it's done before. I'm just following the patterns. That's all I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna follow the patterns. Now we do have enough room to head down even lower based off of this coming all the way down, but sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? So, but based on the pattern, you know what I'm saying? Boom, and I think we're gonna head back up in this direction. So that's why I bought 2 trades right there. All right. So that's all you usually got to do, man. You go in here. The Keltner is basically going to help you to see, it's going to help you back test. You know, where has the market been in the last cycle? So this cycle right here, we drop below the middle of it, go back up, drop below the middle of it, go back up, drop below the middle of it, go back up, drop below the middle of it, go back up. You know what I'm saying? So historically, that's usually what happens. All right. And that's what I go off of. Now the zigzag, like I said, helps me to know since the zigzag already formed this way, we have to push back up to form another zigzag. All right. Now we don't know exactly when that happens, but I know it will happen. So, you know, that gives you another indicator on where the market's about to go. So if it doesn't go, then we probably should have did a bigger, a longer time frame, like 4 or 5 minutes. But I do still think we're gonna go, and look at that, boom. So y'all gonna watch the whole thing with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all watching it with me. All right, that's a beautiful setup. Now sometimes I like to go to the 5 second just to see the entry. Look at the entry. Ooh, beautiful entry. All right, I'm gonna come back here to 1 minute so y'all can see it. We got 51 seconds left. We do got some rejection here though that we might end up hitting. So I'm gonna show y'all that. All right, boom. So we got rejection here. We're getting close up there. So I do think we're gonna end up pushing back up there. So we just gotta see, wait and see. Trying to push back below here. But again, this is starting about to curve up anyway. So we're gonna end up pushing back this way. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much almost guaranteed bread, you know what I'm saying? The pattern, if you just notice the pattern of what it's been doing, it's gonna give you that same energy. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Got it. Money in the bank. You feel me? Money in the bank, no panic. You know what I'm saying? Why? Because I believe in it. Now, honestly, I could get back in this and ride this up even longer because I do believe we're gonna continue up. I'm gonna see if it's gonna push down a little bit more. And if it does, I'm gonna hop back in because it ain't made this complete move that I think it's gonna make. Now, also, let me go check the M15 first before I even do that. Yeah, the M15 is on the uptrend as well. You see, we're above the 200. So it's a go. This one, we'll need to push down a pretty decent amount before another zigzag forms. But, you know, we'll see. So we come back here to the M1. So we're gonna keep pushing for right now, because it's trying to make its statement over there. Wait, let me give me a second. I don't want to rush it, because if you rush it, boy, you get ugly. All right, so another thing is this candle don't got no wick on it. You see, it ain't really no wick at the top, so it's gonna eventually turn around. But right now it's pushing. We hitting a bunch of you know, support. So I'm trying to go ahead and hop in on another 3. I'm gonna go like 1, 2, 3. All right, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 trades right there. And we're gonna let it ride again. And this is how my sessions go in the morning. You know what I'm saying? I time it out. I don't rush it. I take my time. Again, this here is way oversold, so we need to go up. You know what I'm saying? And if you look, matter of fact, can I grab me a trend line so I can show y'all what I mean? All right, look at this. So I'm gonna pull this down here and I'm gonna pull this here. And you can't tell me that ain't a beautiful entry, bro. Straight off the trend line. This one almost got close to it. You know what I'm saying? Went up. This one came down, touched it down here, bounced. So this is a great entry. Now, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna immediately go straight up and keep going. But then again, on the M15, it's looking like it's still want to drop. But I do believe we're gonna still go up for at least, 3 minutes before we drop, if it does drop. You know what I'm saying? So if it wants to make this final push up, I'm cool with that. I'll take it. But this is a great session. You know what I'm saying? Real good session. And I do that on every pair. So if you hit these little stars, all your pairs will show up here. I just got mainly Forex pairs up here. I trade OTC too, but mainly the Forex pairs. So I know it ain't gonna be no manipulation. I know it's gonna do exactly what I need it to do. It's gonna bounce off the levels it's supposed to, unless news hit or something crazy happen. But for the most part, it's gonna do what it needs to do. So y'all see the entry looking good. Hopefully we don't reject and come back down. Yeah, that's a beautiful entry on the M5. That's a W too. Look at that. That's a W. Ooh, look at that. Headed right back to another zone up here. Yeah, man. Let's look at the M1. See where we at. Oh yeah, man. He headed right back up to that zone. He looking like he want to push up all the way up. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a good trade day. I'm confident. That's a confident entry right there. Now, like I said, it could want to turn around here pretty soon, but hopefully not within the next 30-something seconds. And we're going to be all right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, also, always let the trades come to you. Don't rush it. Just take your time. Mark the charts up right. And when it's marked up right, again, as long as the candles are above the 200, we know we're in the uptrend. Check the M1 and the M15 to make sure they both above the, both above the 200. So that lets you know we're all the way uptrend. Use the zigzag, use the Keltner, and you should be good. But y'all see, this is money. So let's see what that puts us at. 6,900. Easy. Stop playing with me. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, y'all, the only reason why, like I said, the only reason why most of you are still losing and keep losing is because you are getting outside of your rules. Either that or you don't have no rules at all. You need to have rules into place, all right? If you lose 3 or 4 trades in a row, you know what I'm saying? Be done for the day. You gotta stop. And it ain't easy, because I still struggle with it. So I ain't gonna sit on here and cap like like I got it down pat. I don't either. But that's the truth. Lately, I've been sticking to my rules. I've been doing great. But you gotta stick to the rules. You gotta take your time, mark the chart up perfectly how you need it. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how you can mark up like OTC, because I know they give you like a lot of 92s. I've been killing OTC lately too, I ain't gonna lie. But you can use it. Let me see if because I got one of these in here marked up so crazy. It might be American Express. Let me see. Yep, look at this. Look at this, y'all. This mug marked up to the T, but every level. But I do this on the M15. Look how crazy M15 look. Let me zoom that out so y'all can see. Look at this. This is on M15. I marked every support and resistance level known to man on this mug. But it worked, and I was killing on here too. It looked crazy, but it don't matter how it looks as long as you're getting paid. But you can see every level that they reject off of, I at least know, okay. But see, this on the so far is the downtrend looking like you're trying to go into uptrend on the M1, and then on the M15 we're a solid downtrend. So larger time frames, is what counts. So we technically a downtrend. So now I know, okay, bet we're gonna at least bounce off one of these and head back down eventually. You know what I'm saying? So this could be like a 3 to 5 minute trade or whatever on the OTC heading back down. But I do mark my stuff up crazy like that. Let me go to Boeing. See, Boeing is marked up. And I always mark it up on the N15. You know what I'm saying? I always mark it up on the N15. But all these zones that reject and turn around, I just mark that as a zone because it comes right back up into them same zones again. As you can see, it came all the way down here, came right back into these zones, start rejecting, going up. Now it's about to go up here to this one and reject and come back down. And that's all I be doing. And you could trade that. See, look, this one broke out, about to retest, come back down here, retest, probably shoot right back up to the next zone. And they just keep doing it. They're just respecting all of these. So that's what I be doing. I mean, it's 1,000,001 ways to trade it like this. Like, it's really 1,000,001 strategies you can use. I use everything I teach in my course. I literally still use every single thing I teach in my binary course. So if certain setup ain't looking right, I'll add certain indicators just to verify and check. You know what I'm saying? But like you can see this one on the M1, it's been an uptrend for a very long time. This to 200, all these been above the 200 for a long time. So now I use the Keltner to see, okay, the market bounces off the middle of the Keltner, comes up, bounces off the middle of the Keltner, goes a little bit below, comes up. But this is usually a good buy zone then, if you could tell. If you would have saw I did this, came down, retested again, start going up, buy. Came down, buy. Came down, buy. Came down, buy. And that's usually how I do it. Now, when it start crossing between both, like the top, the bottom, the middle, like that, then you got to start marking it up because now it's kind of going outside of what it was doing over here when it was just going down to the middle and going up. But once you got all the zones and stuff, oh man, it's a wrap. Like this one, I'll probably be taking me a buy right in here. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere up in here. You know what I'm saying? Let it push. But see, it's M1, so I probably have to wait till the zigzag form, which would probably be right in here somewhere. Right in this zone. Zigzag form and then go back up. But that's all I do, y'all. Mark my chart up. I'll mark one up for y'all real quick and then I'm gonna get up off of here. You know what I'm saying? It's a great trading day today. Let me get off of that. Let me go to, do I do Facebook? I ain't did Facebook. So look, I'm gonna go to N15. Boom. See, N15 is beautiful. Look at this. Just straight down trend, straight down. Come to the middle, drop. Come to the middle, drop. Come to the middle, drop. You can expect it to do it again. So I really ain't got to mark this one up. I mean, it's self-explanatory, but I'll do it anyway. I just do this one. I do a reverse right there and just hit all the reverses. Hit all the reverses, y'all. Boom. Everywhere reverse. Just throw you a line in there. Oh, whoops. I don't think I did that one right. Let me just add a couple of them, you feel me? Boom. Some of these ain't, oh, there we go. They dropping over here. Yep, I hit every little reversal area, because sometimes you might have to add a lot, honestly. Let me see if it got me another one. Yeah, every little reversal area, I just hit it. All right, now we know we're gonna at least come back up to here, drop again. But even if you wanna do this, you can just throw one more in there, put it right at the bottom, and then go to the M1. Boom. Now, when you're on the M1, this is where those are your major key levels of support and resistance on the M15. And you come to your M1, you do the exact same thing. Everywhere you see a reversal, you mark it. See, that one automatically did it. So I'm gonna hit this one again. We're gonna come down here. See, reject off of here, went up. And you just keep doing it. You can do it like that. If it's too messy for you and you don't like it like that, you ain't got to do it like that. But whatever helps, you know what I'm saying? Boom. See, this one bounced here, went up, bounced here, went down. So now we coming back up here. So if it shoot through here, it's going to either connect. This zigzag going to connect to this candle. And then we're going to end up pushing probably back down here because it is a downtrend. So since it is pushing up, this is the best time to sell. Boom. Sell. Down here, 1, 2, 3 minutes, 15 seconds, however you want to do it. But yeah, man, that's it for me, man. Hopefully this video has inspired you to get out here, eat, and get this paper. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Jeremy Cash. Look, as I always say, your relationship with the Lord is key, all right? Anybody can go any day to the other side, and you want to be prepared. So get your life right with Jesus Christ. You know what I'm saying? He the way, the truth, and the life. Come on now. And, you know, just make sure you keep your relationship tight, man. Read your word each morning. You know, pray consistently. And, you know, thank him for all the things he has done. And keep your life straight and intact, man. And it's a wrap. You know what I'm talking about? So, I love y'all, man. Lord willing, I'll be able to see y'all in another video. Peace.
Going to different locations, how they got one, I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, you know it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do what we all in. We can slow up and you never catch.